That was on my floors. Oh, gross. Hello everyone and welcome to the corner of my kitchen. Because today we're not staying in the kitchen because I have an itch. I have an itch to clean. I found a whole bunch of hacks, a bunch of products, a bunch of things to test out and just see what's actually worth trying. So if you like cleaning gadgets or cleaning hacks, things like that, make sure you give this a thumbs up, and I will link all the other videos that we've done in the past at the end of the video because we've tested some cleaning stuff in the past. There's been drill bits with things attached to it, like it's nuts. But we're gonna start with one that is not necessarily new, but it is new to me. And that is using eggs to clean. Yep, so from what I understand, we need to start with the shells because that's what we're using. We are using the shells. Feels kind of weird to be like saving you. Stay right there, little guy. I don't know how much to do. I want to do enough that I can actually, test this. I don't know, 4. Now we need to wash the shells. That's an important step. I've seen people do it a bunch of different ways. Some people boil the shells for a bit. Some people just rinse them in warm water. I'm gonna go and give them a rinse and see if I feel good about that. So, 1 second. Okay, I'm back and I have eggshells because now that they're clean, I just washed them in warm water. That felt fine. I'm gonna stick them in the oven at 400 for about 5 minutes. They dry out. That's phase 2. In they go. The oven's not up to temperature yet, so I'm gonna show you another product. It is this toilet wand kit. I never heard of it before, never tried it before, but people swear that it just makes the whole process a little bit less gross, I guess. Easy to use wand. It has its own caddy, and then it has these scrubbing pads. So, I don't know, we're gonna try it. Yes, it goes in here, and then you just stick the wand in when it's done. All right, we gotta put one of these guys. All right, here's our toilet. It's actually not that bad, but I feel weird about just, showing the inside of a toilet. It really isn't bad. You put the water on it a little bit, and then you scrub all around the toilet. It's very blue. Da-ba-dee-da-ba-da. Well, it looks very clean and very blue. I'm gonna show you. Like, it's very blue in there. My issue is that I now want to take this and use this in other areas of my home, but I don't want to drip this stuff everywhere. Like this feels wasteful to do one toilet and then pitch it. Maybe it's just me. I feel weird about that. Hold on, I'll be right back. I'm gonna see how many toilets I can actually clean before it loses all of its blueness. Da-ba-dee-da-ba-da. Okay, I'm back. I had to get gloves on, wash my hands a million times. Let's discuss. So one of those little disposable sponges cleaned all of my toilets, all of them. I had to put a towel under it to keep it from dripping everywhere. And then I had to go and wipe down all of the sides of the toilet, obviously, because that wasn't getting flushed. So the fact that you're supposed to use one per toilet feels wasteful. There's so much good cleaning in that. So I did see that one person actually, before using them in the toilet, was using it to scrub all of her grout on her kitchen tile, or not her kitchen tile, bathroom tile, and doing that first and then using whatever is left over to clean the inside of the toilet, which I think is also a really smart idea. So I can see it for something like that specific usage, like using it for the rest of the bathroom and then using it for the toilet and then disposing, but one per toilet, no. Just no, we can do better than that. But now my eggshells, they're done now. So we get to blend them up. Let's see. That much is 4 eggshells. That's crazy. Let's try it. Let's try scrubbing the bottom of this pan. First of all, just a regular sponge. I don't have anything on it. Some stuff is coming off of it. This feels like a better thing I should be testing. So again, I have no abrasion or anything on it right now. I feel like I need to tip you down so you can see it better. All right, that's better. A little bit of this on is what I saw people do. I did not grind it up as heavily as I thought I did. Like that better amount. I can see them turning brown. So, I mean, that's gotta be a good sign, right? Feels like it is doing it, just very slowly. Like, obviously, if I added some soap to this, it would make it easier, but I saw people just using it this way, so I wanted to check. I mean, baking soda works well too, if you're looking for a more natural route to go. But, I mean, if you have eggshells and you're saving them and want to use them for something, like you could definitely do this. I would add in soap. By itself, it's gonna take too long. Now, another hack that I saw people use is taking your vacuum and attaching the little long hose attachment and then putting a dryer sheet on the end of it for your baseboards, which I think is brilliant. Now, I don't own dryer sheets, so I was curious if I could do it with those Swiffer ones, you know, and if that would work in a similar way. So we're gonna try that and see if it does anything. Okay, so I have secured it, hopefully, and we're gonna try it on my baseboards. It's really hard to do this one-handed. Did it do anything? Oh, gross. Oh, gross, are you kidding? That was just one baseboard. Oh no. Well, that was really easy, honestly. This is a massively impressive hack. I really like this. I would recommend 10 out of 10. I'm gonna do some more baseboards and see what I come up with. I did a couple more baseboards downstairs. Oh my gosh. This works so well. I will be absolutely doing this moving forward. And then you can just, you know, pull off the gross stuff and then move the cloth around and then continue on. That is insane. I love this hack so much. Next, I want to try a hack that I'm sure many of us have seen or tried or use frequently, but it's basically taking citrus to clean all of the spots and everything off of your faucets. So I have this bit of a lemon here, and I figured we could try it and see if it looks, I mean, hopefully it looks better than this. I've seen people just like fully take the lemon and just put it everywhere. I will say it smells very nice. I don't think I would do a fresh full lemon for this, but if I had a little piece of the end of a lemon or something, I would absolutely do this, assuming it works. Now I have to clean that off. Wow. That is clean. Ooh, all right, I like it. All right, let's unbox this. So heavy. That was a dramatically sized box for this. This is the Tinoco wet dry vacuum that I've heard everyone talking about how amazing it is. It's supposed to do a whole bunch of stuff, but basically it vacuums and also cleans the floor with solution. Basically, it's a wet dry vacuum. What are you? Instructions. Okay, there's a lot of steps here. No time to waste. Floors are disgusting. We must vacuum. Okay, cleaning solution. Good. Wait, we have a handle. Let me have the vacuum. Ta-da. Okay, we got her out. I'm gonna go set her up. I guess I'm gonna start by plugging this in. Probably needs to charge. Hold on. I bring you to my front hall where I feel like this has a mix of, it's disgusting, but also salt and things from being outside. And I figured the best way is to put you on the ground floor, see what's going on. All right, assessment time. That's disgusting. That was on my floors. Oh, gross. Well, that's something. Guess I need to go and vacuum some more. I'm actually gonna spill some water because I want to see how it does in terms of like cleaning up liquids as well. Let's give that a go. Now, one thing I will note is you can see it's very streaky in terms of, you know, the tracks and stuff that it's leaving, so that's kind of annoying. I don't know why that is, just in certain areas, but all right. Okay, look at me. I'm ready for QVC. Have you ever been walking around and then you trip and fall and stuff just drops on the, oh no! And now I have a mess. What will we do? How'd I do? Am I ready for TV yet? You can see Stain is gone and was gone pretty rapidly. More water to add to the garbage that's in there. Oh, and there's a toy car on the floor. Hello. So a couple of notes. Obviously it is working. It's picking up a lot of stuff. I don't think it's gonna work on big chunks on the floor. That's one thing of note. Also, it does not get close at all to the sides there. Like, it gives a good solid this much space, and I tried all sorts of different directions to try and get in there, and it's not touching that. So that's really annoying, because if you're spending this kind of money, you kind of want it to clean all of your floors, you know? So that, plus the fact that it is leaving just like a little bit of streakiness. It's not my favorite. I know they have 4 million different options though, so maybe there's a different, I don't know, version that's better. If you've tried them, let me know. I think it definitely works. There are just a couple of like little hiccups in there that if I'm gonna spend that kind of money, I'd want it to, you know, get in the corners, maybe not leave streaks. Also pick up larger chunks. Am I asking too much? I don't know. It did make my floors a lot cleaner though, so that's good. Hello on a different day, I forgot a hack. This is supposed to clean like your couches and things like that. It's gonna pick up a ton of dirt this way, but I've never seen this before, so we're gonna try it. So we're gonna start in my dirty countertops. We have a bowl, and I'm gonna put some warm water in here. There's water in here now. And then to this, I'm gonna add in some liquid laundry detergent. They said to use like to dissolve a pod, but I don't use pods. So we're gonna go with this. Not a lot, this stuff is concentrated. And that's good. Then we're supposed to take like a microfiber cloth of some description and sort of moving it around in the water here. Can you see that without it spilling? A little bit. Anyway, it just looks like this. We're gonna squeeze it out. Okay, have our cloth. Then we're gonna take a pot lid like so, and then use this on the couch. I don't know, let's try it. Will it pick up anything? Who's to say? Maybe I have a very clean couch, I don't know. I'm gonna put you on top of a cookbook. That's good. This is hard to do. I feel like you need a very big microfiber cloth. I don't have a big one. I don't know. I guess there's probably stuff on that. I feel like I need to put it into some water and then see if the water is dirty, you know? Hang on, let's investigate. That just doesn't look like dirty water. I don't understand. Hang on. You know what? Let's use this thing on my my carpet downstairs. I added a little bit more water. You can see it's very bubbly. This is the one specifically I was thinking of, that maybe this is just really gross. I don't know. Do I need to do the other side? No. No, it has to be this side. That's the side that I see everyone using. I just need to know if this works. I'm thinking of it like as a hack on a stain or something maybe. But like no one's cleaning their carpets this way. If you are, I don't understand. Did I get anything this time? It's kind of hard to tell because I only have a dark cloth. Am I using the wrong cloth? I thought this was microfiber. I don't know. I feel like there are better ways to clean things than using a pot lid, but maybe it's good in like in a pinch if you need to do more surface area or something. I'm trying to think of the use case for this. Let me know if you've done this before. I need to know. I need to understand where this is coming from because I'm confused. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these or if you have any cleaning hacks that you swear by that are fantastic. Would love to know. Leave me a comment down below. Check out these other cleaning related videos in case you have missed any, and subscribe. New videos here every single Saturday. I hope you guys are having a fantastic, fantastic day, and I'll see you all in the next one.